1993 Mitsubishi GT. The the driver side door switch is not working. So, which means when I open the door, this switch here that's supposed to activate the dome light works whenever it wants to. Well, yesterday I went to a junkyard and I found this switch here. I bought got two of them, driver side and passenger side. It came out of a 1998 Mitsubishi. So let's see if this one is the right one. So to remove this, you'll have to you see here. That's a little rubber. You remove that, and there's this screw here. Just by looking at this, it looks like it's not they are not the same. But let's see, because you got that little, all you have to do is just snap it in here. And then remove the screw, there we go. And voila. Pull that out, oops. Not the same. This is a 1993 and this came out of a 98. So they are not the same. And so now I do not know why it wasn't working. It's possible it's probably dirt. And how this thing works is when you push the door, when the door is open, that's how it works, the mechanism. So maybe there was something here preventing the spring from working. So let's just spray it. Okay. Okay. I'm back. So let's see. I just go ahead and mess with this a little bit and put it back in there and keep on pressing, because obviously I cannot replace it with this unless if I had the connection, the wire that has a little snap on at the end. But I didn't know that they were like this, because of my mistake I didn't open this to see what it looked like. Okay, so but right now the wires look fine, so maybe there was just a spring. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back. Okay, oops, put it back. Okay, all right, and looks good. Well, I just connected the battery, and now look, the dome light is on. Before it didn't come on. So now I press the, see, I hold it shut as if the door was closed, and then now look at that, it's off. And then now I'm gonna remove my finger and it's back on. Problem solved. So what it was is something was holding the spring, so there wasn't a good connection. Problem solved.